In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share your YouTube channel link on Instagram. So the first step is to open up the YouTube app on your phone and then tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then you go to your channels, the first option. Then you can see 3 vertical dots at the top right. Tap on that and then simply tap on share. Now it's going to bring up various options. You just want to select the first one that says copy link. And now that link to your channel has been copied to your clipboard. Now you want to go to Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then you want to tap on edit profile. And there where it says website, you just want to hold and then paste that YouTube URL link. Tap on the check mark at the top right. And now your YouTube channel link is linked in your Instagram bio. It's really that simple. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.